In a country of 1.4 billion people, where we celebrate cricket, cinema, and content, there's one community that we often forget about: the artists.
The arts sector is unorganized sector. We fall between all the stools because it's not that every day people have programs, not every day people have work. And it is very difficult to understand, sir, that what one sees on the stage or in the documentaries or on the television is not the real life.
After COVID, it wasn't just the businesses that shut down, entire creative careers were left hanging. Performers had no platform, events disappeared, and gigs dried up.
Sir, I want to put before you in my own example that in this city of Delhi, I was homeless for 5 years, and even today I do not own any property.
But in 2024, something changed. India's live entertainment didn't just return, it came back roaring. The unemployment crisis in India isn't just about graduates or engineers, it's also about the tabla players, indie bands, stand up comedians, or singers, dancers who suddenly had nowhere to go. Post pandemic, thousands of artists stopped performing, not because they lacked talent, but they lacked opportunities. कुछ ने jobs ले ली, कुछ ने instruments बेच दिए, and some just gave up. But today, India's live event scene has experienced a massive comeback. In 2024 alone, over 8.87 lakh people attended events solo, according to BookMyShow's year-end report. Also, Coldplay tour saw fans traveling from over 500 plus cities to Ahmedabad. And guess what? It's not just the metros anymore. Two-tier cities like Gandhinagar, Shillong and Kanpur have seen a 682% of spike in the live events. According to FICCI EY 2024 report, the live event sector is growing at 18.2% CAGR, faster than digital media, music or even online gaming. Artist economy isn't just alive, it's expanding. And leading to this new wave is Scene Zone, a platform built for the artist or by the artist. Whether you are a singer in Surat, a comic in Chandigarh, or a DJ in Delhi, you can now find gigs, connect with your organizers, and grow your audience. And for the fans, Scene Zone helps to discover the performances near you, whether it's a concert, open mic, or workshops, all in one place. It's not just an app, it's a stage for every voice that deserves to be heard.